What are some tips to make keto meal prep easy? Meal prep does not have to be hard. In fact, it shouldn't be, okay? It should be easy, and I'm about to show you how to make it as easy as possible. First off, I can't stress how important meal prep is. It can honestly make the difference between mediocre results and jaw-dropping transformation, all right? Follow this step-by-step meal prep to make sure it makes instead of breaks your progress. Step 1, start simple, and you do not want to overcomplicate your meal prep. The more complicated it is, the harder it'll be. But I see a lot of people make the same mistake. They bite off more than they can chew, literally, all right? And go from zero prep to all the prep overnight. It's a recipe for disaster. Instead, start simple and prep the meal that's hardest for you to eat, all right? I found that usually breakfast or lunch is what helps most. Step 2, gradually build up. Once a meal prep starts to become habitual, start prepping more meals, but ease into the throttle. Again, if you do not want to overcomplicate the process, because your success is directly related to how simple you make your plan.